Now here's where it gets crazy, because what Tesla's building isn't just a cheap EV, it's a survival vehicle, a smart assistant, a shapeshifter, and a long-haul machine all for under $10,000. And the craziest part, most people still think it's just a rumor. Tesla's third quarter is already shaping up to shatter records, as buyers rush to take advantage of a soon-to-expire tax credit. But insiders say the real disruption is coming in Q4. Attention is now locked on a rumored low-cost Model Y, widely believed, with over 90% certainty according to well-placed sources, to be the long-awaited Model to as the current lineup phases. Tesla is gearing up to launch more affordable options in Q4 with a starting price of just $9,875. This model is a precise strike at the heart of the mass market. What makes it truly game-changing are 7 mysterious upgrades insiders are buzzing about. From military-grade protection and an almost invisible driver to a battery that refuses to quit, along with systems that can maintain themselves, keep you alive, adapt to your lifestyle, and stay connected far beyond cellular range. Subscribe to Roadzone Reviews and help us hit our goal of 1K subscribers. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on major Tesla updates. Terrestrial armor cover. The Tesla Model 2 comes armored with what Tesla calls the Terrestrial armor cover, a rugged protection system built to endure conditions that would destroy most compact EVs. Originating from the Cybertruck's legacy, this armor replaces flimsy city EV panels with a layered defense of underbody shields and side guards, made from hardened steel alloys and aerospace-grade 6061T6 aluminum. With a brittle hardness over 500 HB, the steel can absorb the impact of a 50-pound rock drop from 40 feet, shrugging off sharp debris at highway speeds. Meanwhile, the aluminum offers an outstanding strength-to-weight ratio above 160 kilonewtons per kilogram, preserving efficiency without excessive weight. The underbody plating mimics rally car armor, forming a continuous barrier that deflects debris at over 70 miles per hour, protecting the battery, a component that costs $7,000, $15,000 to replace. Inspired by the Cybertruck's exoskeleton, the side guards combine lightweight aluminum with internal steel ribs to handle compressive forces above 4,000 pounds, over double what a typical 25 miles per hour city collision generates. By distributing impact across reinforced layers, the system slashes repair costs and prevents structural distortion, transforming the Model 2 into a rugged investment-grade vehicle that's just as ready for gravel roads and job sites as it is for city traffic. Rate this feature from 1 to 5, where 1 means not important and 5 means critical, in the comments below. Ghost Driver. Introducing Ghost Driver, Tesla's next-gen autonomous system powered by FSD 1.4. This isn't just better lane keeping, it's a leap forward in AI driving. Trained over years with neural networks, FSD 1.4 makes near-human driving decisions with fluid precision, running on Tesla's proprietary hardware capable of 300 trillion operations per second. It reads road conditions, predicts hazards, and reacts within milliseconds. False alerts are drastically reduced. In internal testing, object classification accuracy exceeds 98%, meaning no more unnecessary braking over harmless shadows or lane paint. FSD 14 learns from every drive. Each Tesla sends anonymized data back to Tesla servers, a confusing traffic layout in one country, fixed for all via over-the-air update. Tesla reports this fleet learning can cut reaction times by up to 36%. For drivers, this means stress-free commuting. The car manages acceleration, steering, and braking seamlessly, letting you listen to podcasts, work hands-free, or just relax. Once a high-end luxury, this tech is now coming to the most affordable Tesla yet. Predictive Traffic Flow AI. Tesla's Predictive Traffic Flow AI brings real-time and future-time intelligence to your commute. Unlike traditional systems that react to traffic, this AI foresees congestion up to 45 minutes ahead, using over 500 terabytes of daily fleet data from 6 million TESLAS. It factors in braking trends, weather accidents, and vehicle speed to recommend reroutes before traffic starts. For the average American commuting 32 miles daily, that could save 18 to 22 minutes a day, or 80 hours annually, nearly 2 work weeks. If you've made it this far, you're only halfway through the rabbit hole. The next upgrades, they change what it means to own a car. Think modular design, self-repair, and rural satellite tech that works without cell service. Avoiding stop-and-go traffic also saves energy up to 7%. On a Model 2 with 350-mile range, that's around 245 extra miles yearly without charging. Plus, the system works with the thermal management to conserve battery life during slow-moving urban drives. From a safety angle, early reroutes reduce rear-end crashes, which make up 28% of US accidents. Per NHTSA, a 1-mile early warning could prevent thousands of incidents. What would you do with 2 extra hours a week? Drop your answers below. Utility Customization Kit. Tesla's Utility Customization Kit takes versatility to the next level. The Model 2 isn't just a car, it's whatever you need it to be. At the core are precision-engineered anchor points built into the frame, cargo floor, and roof rails. rated to support 250 kilograms. These anchors can hold a rooftop tent, full tool rack, or even a mobile workstation. That quick-release lock system lets you switch setups in under 10 minutes with basic tools. Monday through Friday, it's your commuter. By the weekend, it's a camper, hauler, or workshop. Affordable thanks to standardized components and mass-produced high-grade materials. These parts are built to last. 6063 T6 aluminum roof bars offer strength and corrosion resistance. Inside, insulated panels serve dual purposes: cargo liners by day, sleeping platforms by night. No drilling, no warranty risk, no expensive installs. It's DIY friendly and fully reversible. Need more range? Remove accessories to reduce drag. Heading off-grid? Add solar panels or gearboxes. The Model 2 evolves with your self-maintenance system. Self-maintenance system is like a virtual pit crew running 24/7. It uses a dense network of sensors monitoring drivetrain vibrations, battery temperature, structural strain, and even coolant chemistry up to 1,000 times per second that compares readings to data from millions of miles to flag subtle anomalies. For instance, a wheel bearing running 15% hotter than normal gets flagged before failure. Predictive systems like this have reduced unexpected breakdowns by up to 70% and cut maintenance costs by 25% in industry settings. For minor issues like camera calibration or software bugs, the Model 2 performs automatic fixes over. For hardware concerns, it generates a detailed diagnostic in the Tesla app, guiding owners through simple repairs or connecting with a mobile tech. This extends lifespan, protects resale value, and is especially helpful in remote areas with limited service access. Ever had a car fail out of nowhere? With TAC watching, the Model 2 might spot it before it even happens. Comment Model 2 if you think this should be standard in every vehicle. Rural connectivity technology. Tesla's rural connectivity technology makes sure you stay in touch even when you're way off the grid. An integrated low-profile antenna links to low Earth orbit satellites between 500 to 1,200 kilometers altitude, enabling faster response than traditional geosats 35,000 kilometers away. This allows emergency messages and location data to be sent in under 15 seconds even with no cell signal. Using a story and forward protocol, it can transmit preset distress texts, GPS coordinates, and limited voice data. A multi-band GPS receiver L1, L2, L5 offers pinpoint accuracy within 30 centimeters, independent of towers. With the FCC estimating that 22% of US land lacks mobile coverage. This feature isn't just smart, it's vital. Paired with Tesla's survival mode, becomes a complete emergency safety net. What was once a luxury SUV feature is now in a sub-$10,000 vehicle. Whether you're exploring off-grid trails or just ensuring peace of mind in remote zones, Model 2 has your back. Everlasting battery technologist. Tesla's Model 2 is powered by breakthrough aluminum-ion battery tech, built to last over 20 years. This chemistry charges ultra-fast, runs cool, and survives more than 10,000 full charge cycles with minimal degradation, where most EV batteries lose 20% capacity in 8 years. These cells retain over 85% after a decade, at 250 miles per charge. That means 2.5 million miles of potential range. Built as part of the chassis itself, the pack improves energy density and reduces failure points. Sealed with epoxy and cooled by a dual thermal system, it stays within the ideal 15 degrees Celsius minus 35 degrees Celsius range to reduce wear. The AI-driven battery management system BMS adapts to your driving habits and grid input to keep each cell balanced to the MILLIVOLT. With battery replacement costs reaching up to $16,000. This tech makes the Model 2 less of a liability and more of a long-term asset, potentially lasting decades or being passed down like a house. So is the Model 2 just an affordable EV or the blueprint for all future cars? Tesla may be launching the most important vehicle since the original Model S, and you heard it here first. Finally so, when you combine armor that scoffs at impacts, a ghost behind the wheel, traffic that flows around you, a car that becomes anything you want, a mechanic that